Hi, it's Nicole, and I'm back to do the last day of my coffee experiment. This is day 4 of the coffee experiment, and this one is my routine, my current routine for coffee. And I would like to, I don't know if anybody's watched any of these videos, and probably haven't watched all of them, but I've been trying to build upon each day to get to what my routine is so you can see this drastic difference that the routine makes. Okay, these videos are my personal experience, not to be used as medical advice, so please don't go doing insulin for your coffee if you don't need to. You know, that's not, I'm just giving you some ideas and some data. Okay, so day 1 I did no insulin. I went 326 double arrows up and had to get out of auto mode and didn't come back down until 10 a.m. Day 2, I did insulin at the start of each cup. So there was a separate distribution of insulin. And I hit a 262 and came back down by 9 o'clock in the morning. Day 3, I doubled up on my insulin, my food bolus. I did for both cups of my coffee, I did the food bolus combined. And then over, by 8:15 in the morning, I was back down to a 186, 187, and I peaked at a 235. So there was a definite improvement. But here's the one I'm excited to share. And this one, again, I start at 6 a.m. My blood glucose on this particular morning started at an even 100. And this is huge. I took almost a full hour to drink each cup. And I know that sounds like, what, you know, why would you do that? But I do it now because I'm just used to it. And so it's not hard anymore. And in the beginning, I had to slow down because I would see this crazy rise. So I've learned how to slow down, and now I like it like that. And if I chug it, it makes me sick. So this is okay now. It really is. Okay, so here's the data. All right. And if you look at that chart, I don't even have to go through it all because I'd like to just say that I max out at a 153. I max out at a 153. So there is a 53-point rise that I have over my 2 cups of coffee. Now, when I did no insulin, I had a 214-point rise with 2 arrows up. And then even with the insulin that was separate, there was still about 100, let's say about 100-point rise. So this is even better. And this really is because I did the insulin together and I drank slowly. I really kind of just took my time, and it brings me back to the fact that this is not about carbs. This is about absorption. I don't drink alcohol, but I can tell you I think it probably works about the same way. You have a beer on an empty stomach, it's going to do something different than on a full stomach. And if you chug a beer, it's going to be different than if you drink it really slowly. And so I've learned how to drink my coffee slowly, and I like that. It means I can have breakfast and not, go through the roof. So again, by 8:45 in the morning, I'm back to a 133, but I never went higher than a 153. And that's it. I feel like I should be giving you more information on this one because this was the important one. But I will do this. Wait for it. I will show you. Here is day 1. No insulin, and you see that rise. Okay, oops,